Today, we're going to turn a simple line into a complete drawing. Start with a light, basic shape. Keep your hand relaxed. Add a guideline to help you keep the proportions balanced. Carefully place the eyes. Symmetry makes a big difference. Now, define the eyes with simple details. This is where the character starts to feel alive. Keep the nose and mouth clean and minimal. Small changes affect the expression. Sketch the overall flow of the hair first, then refine the shape. Strengthen the important lines and remove the extra sketch marks. Add light shading or line variation to create depth. And that's how a simple line becomes a finished character.